Blow, 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 blow. I don't leave this spot till I get fetty. I might disappear for a little minute, Machiavelli.
Alright. Just making sure you on point, my boy. But look though, it's been a fat minute since I did a prank, right? JT got the new whip, new rap, you feel me? And you know, y'all niggas don't smoke. Y'all don't do none of that. And I don't know if y'all know that, but
You ain't heard what happened?
What?
That nigga JT smokes cigarettes now.
Oh, I was gonna do a smoking cigarette in your car prank.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, but I don't think it's gonna be a prank. I think it's just gonna be a smoke session.
He might join in.
So I guess we just gonna have to see, you feel me? So yeah, I'm gonna be smoking cigarettes in Javaris' car, you feel me? He got a new wrap, and he just got the new whip. So I'm gonna be smoking in his car to see if he blow. Cause Marshall did it to me when I had the Nissan. Mar did it to me. Just had to show him like smoking cigarettes, not pee. Like nigga love to talk about pee this, pee that. But y'all niggas smoking cigs, that's not pee.
We smoked on, what we smoked?
Optimos.
Huh?
We smoke Optimos.
Optimus Prime?
Hopefully I make him mad, but this nigga don't care about nothing. So
He don't care about it.
this nigga don't care about nothing. I ain't never met a more careless nigga.
Last week, I ran over his dog.
That nigga ain't even get mad, did he?
That nigga ain't say shit.
Dog over there dying.
That nigga say, I don't care.
Nigga don't care. So yeah, y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. Follow me on Instagram right now at Chefboyty. I got my
Add me
dog
on
Mar.
Facebook.
Add him on Facebook. All you Louisiana Baton Rouge girls, y'all know about Mar.
Yep.
Y'all know about Mar. Don't
You
count
know
like
we
y'all
get
don't know. But yeah, man, I'm getting back at y'all. You dig? What? What's up, nigga? Down you go, nigga.
Bro.
What?
No way. Hold on.
Why you did all that?
Man, what the fuck is this,
Boy.
bro?
Whoa, stop.
Hey, he need that, bro.
I need that. You tripping.
Cigarettes, bro.
Bro, you know I be going through
red
shit,
light,
bro.
right? It's a random
Bro, you
on the
good,
corner.
I be going.
Nigga said, you got a
Everybody
cigarette,
go
bro?
through shit.
So they
But
be
that's what I need.
Oh, you gave a nigga a cigarette?
No. That nigga gave me a cigarette.
Oh, God.
Regular homeless nigga. He was being stingy with it though. I was like, hey bro, you got a cig? He was like, nah.
And you put it in your mouth?
Then he touched the tip and everything.
What if he got AIDS?
I'm a gremlin, boy.
Nah, you have fun with that.
I thought,
But I forgot you got that new one, boy. What the fuck? You too big. Hey JT, come here. Let me talk to you, bro. Hop in the whip. Let's hop in the whip. Hey Quan, Mark. I need to talk to y'all boys, man. Y'all be playing too much, bro.
what you talking about now?
But I need to talk to y'all, bro.
What the fuck do you want?
What?
Little man?
What? Damn it. What?
Hold on.
What?
Called it. That's a V8 turbo.
Hop in, bro. I need to talk to y'all.
Hey, bro.
Y'all niggas start acting like that. Get in the back, big man. Yeah, for real though. What y'all boys been on?
You know me, man, chilling, man.
You know.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying. What y'all boy do for Valentine's Day? Not
Shit.
shit.
Got a
You
goddamn
ain't do shit?
thing.
Hey, let's
I ain't
go
got no
eat
girl, bro.
Taylor's.
I ain't do nothing for Valentine's because I don't have a Valentine.
Yeah, same.
Why you didn't have a Valentine?
I've been going through shit.
I had one, but then goddamn, I showed up with no gifts. So you know how that went.
My
So you didn't give your girl no gifts?
I got.
But it's like, sometimes I really be wanting the girl though, for real.
My Valentine
Word.
had left me
Yeah.
on top of that shit.
I'm saying though,
Your Valentine left you.
why can't you get a girl? Well, you got a new earring, don't you?
Nah, I been had these.
Nah, that motherfucker a little
These
big.
motherfucker busting, ain't
Oh yeah,
they?
I forgot.
These the target one. These the target one.
I forgot. Yeah, I was gonna do that, but then I'm like, I was just thinking to myself, I'm like, shit, I'm not her boyfriend. You feel me? So
Why about it? Yeah.
I'm talking about my mom. I'm like, shit, I'm not her boyfriend.
What the fuck?
That's true though.
Ain't your mother.
I'm just saying, bro.
You're not her boyfriend.
I'm not her
Your mom
boyfriend.
be like, oh,
I see it like
What?
how you think
What?
of it.
I got a good analogy.
What?
When your mom cooking dinner for you, did she be like, that ain't my man. He don't gotta eat.
Right.
Nigga, I'm her son. I'm her son. I'm her son.
Yeah, for real though. I had to talk to y'all
Looking for
boys.
someone to take pictures, ain't he?
I had to talk to y'all boys about some real shit.
beat
So
that
like
nigga
y'all
ass.
know like
I beat that nigga ass.
You got a baby? You got
No.
somebody pregnant?
Bitch.
You getting taller?
I am. JT said I am.
Man, I've been selling it. Hey, I was the first nigga to say that shit, not everybody saying that shit.
Hey,
Y'all gonna let me be for real or what? Y'all just gonna keep
Let me
playing?
know. Let me know.
he be driving.
'Cause y'all my
with a
bros,
stick.
bro. I'm trying to talk to y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all what's going on in my life
Your
and
ass
shit.
pulled up on me with a cigarette.
I'm trying to tell y'all what's going on in my life.
What's going on in your life, bro?
I'm going through shit.
Like what?
What you did?
Life shit. Like nigga ain't got no whip.
Damn.
Nigga fell off.
Hey, what is that?
Like I'm just going through life and
You ain't
like
got no whip.
A life crisis?
Hold on. You ain't got no whip. What else?
and like
What you doing?
shit. I just
Well,
Where did you get that from?
You realize you alive, bro.
Bro,
what?
put that out your
Come
pocket.
on, bro. Hoping to something.
You a grown ass. Bro, you are finna be 20 years old and you're pulling out cigs, bro?
I'm just going through shit, bro.
You don't need
Bro,
no shit, you
the
need
cigs
weed.
ain't for it, though, you know what I'm saying? Like, I thought you
I try weed. Weed don't work, bro.
Hey, bro, hey.
Bro, no.
That shit stings.
No. This my only one.
Bro, you
At
finna
least
be
get out
walking
of the
around
car
smelling
if you
like
gonna
a
do that
damn...
Hey, but you gonna have a nigga smell like cigarettes.
old
Come on,
ass
bro.
But hell nah, bro. What you
Bro,
doing? No.
That shit ain't pee. That
Ain't
shit
at
not
all.
pee. You
At
not
all.
cool. I hope you lose all your bitches for smoking that shit, too.
I don't got no. That's why I'm smoking these. So I don't got no. I don't got no whip. Why you just made me drop the cig, bro?
Bro, you alive.
I'll take that over God.
You got a home.
I'm smoking in my car.
But yeah, give me out.
A cigarette ain't the way, though, bro.
Give me a-
That's not the way to, you know.
Bro, you can draw,
You can run.
run.
You can work on your height.
What? Fuck all that.
Eat cereal. That's how I grew.
Smoking the cigarette.
I grew in Captain Crunch
Cigarettes?
white milk.
We don't need cigarettes. It's
Not
cancer,
chocolate milk,
brother.
white milk.
You said you're going through life, nigga.
Power to the people.
You said you're going through life. If you smoke cigarettes, you're gonna get cancer. Their life gonna hit you even harder. You gonna lose something.
Your ass gonna be like that old lady.
But you gonna get breast cancer. You keep smoking that shit. You gonna get breast cancer. If you get breast cancer,
chill.
if you get breast cancer, then you can't.
I just told you not to do that.
I just told y'all I'm going through
You already
shit.
got gray hairs growing on your beard, bro. Just stop.
Where you see gray hair? Now I got gray hairs going on my beard. You can't get out. Do y'all want to hit this or not?
No.
If y'all was really my partners, y'all be like, damn, Top, I still fuck with you, even though I know you you smoke cigarettes and shit. You feel me? Real niggas gonna prevail regardless. And I'm gonna get out this drought, but I just need this.
Hey, chill.
I just
bro.
need this
Chill,
one, bro.
You don't need it. Bro, you like an old head, bro. Stop.
Come on, bro.
Bro, this nigga is sad,
Bro.
bro. I don't even
Nigga smoking a cigarette in your
I don't even fuck with you no more. I ain't even gonna lie to you.
Bro,
I don't fuck. Hey, JT, can you let me out?
get me out.
I can't surround myself with a cigarette
That shit
smoker.
stinks,
Bro,
Come on.
Give me that shit.
Bro.
What the? What the?
Bro. It's like he literally asked.
Bro, come on, bro.
Like, bro.
Get out.
You need help.
You gotta get out.
Why?
Bro, get out.
Come on.
Chill.
You gotta go with the camera too.
Let it. Why? What's wrong with a cigarette? Y'all niggas acting like this is drugs or something. Where you going?
You gotta go, bro.
What the fuck?
Come on.
I ain't got no cuts, man.
That shit go, my boy. What you doing? Come on, my boy. You gotta go, my boy.
I gotta go.
Come on, get the hell out. You gotta go. Get out.
The
What the hell, Vaughn? My sunroof? Get the hell out. Not in my car.
Bro, go.
You gotta go.
This is a fake cig, bro. This is fake.
That's not fake, my boy.
You got it on my shirt, dog.
That's not P. Put the cigarette down. Get out. Get out.
Bro, you just dropped the lighter?
Get out. Come on, bro. You stealing my car.
Pass me that cig.
Nigga.
Give me that cig. Nah, bro. Nah.
What? Bro, why you do that, bro?
Put that shit down.
Aw, you tripping.
That's not him. It's not him. Bitch ass nigga. He's a grown ass
That shit stink. I don't give a fuck you smoke cigarettes, but that shit stink. Oh god, just don't smoke that shit around me.
But this is my only cigarette, though.
I don't give a fuck, man.
Bro, nobody fuck cares.
You know how them niggas be?
Nobody cares.
You gotta show this. Yeah, let me go ask another nigga.
And you drop my light. What the f is you on, boy? That was a fake cigarette, though, y'all boys.
That shit was real. That shit
Nah,
that
for
shit
real, that was
smoking.
fake. No, that shit was fake.
No, you inhaled and you exhaled.
The fuck is that?
Oh yeah, you're hot.
Yup.
You're hot. Breast cancer is coming here.
Your ass finna be in
What the pussy? Where you going? You dipping?
Yeah.
Is you good, boy? I guess we not homies no more. It's like we not homies no more.
Bro, Ty, you my nigga. I told you, hold on. Just don't smoke that shit around me and we straight. Niggas go through shit every day, B.
I know what I'm saying.
Niggas
Like,
dying every day, B.
life hit me hard.
If you get breast cancer, I ain't gonna be in the hospital.
Look at my shirt.
Yeah, that breast cancer coming.
I got.
Swallowed the cigarette?
Look at my shirt. They smacked the cigarette on my shirt.
I would've smacked you.
What? Y'all don't fuck with niggas that smoke cigarettes? So that's why you.
That being said, find your own ride home.
Wow.
Damn,
You
laughing?
I know that's
You
it.
laughing?
No, chill, big bro. I'm playing, big bro. Why y'all niggas be tripping, bro? See what I do for y'all, man. I lose friends for y'all, man. Y'all folks, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. But yeah, y'all, I'm finna wrap this on up. I got shit all on my shirt, Marshall. Bro. You be playing too much, bro. Alright, y'all be easy.
Maserati coupe speed racing. I hit her from the back, pussy oasis.
What y'all think? Nah, I'm good.